Sami Zayn managed to win his first championship on the main roster after he defeated Braun Strowman in a 3-on-1 match ahead of WrestleMania 36 and become the IC champion. While Sami Zayn defended the championship against Daniel Bryan at WrestleMania 36, he has been missing from action since then. The reason for Zayn's absence is that he has chosen to stay at home during the COVID-19 pandemic instead of competing on SmackDown, much like Roman Reigns. This resulted in WWE holding a tournament to crown a new IC champion. As per reports, Zayn is set to feud whoever managed to win the tournament and become the new IC champion. Here is what Cage's side have stated. The expectation is Sami Zayn will work a program with whoever wins the Intercontinental Championship tournament, per the Wrestling Observer newsletter. WrestleMania 36 ended up being quite different from how it was originally planned due to the COVID-19 pandemic. Many matches and feuds were either nixed or changed to suit the circumstances, and Hulk Hogan returning and winning the Andre the Giant Memorial Battle Royal was one such plan that was on the table. Wrestling News host Paul Davis revealed many details regarding the backstage plan to get Hulk Hogan back for a match. The idea was he wouldn't take any bumps, we would work it, so he would only have to eliminate one or two guys at the end, and then he would get his big celebration at the end with his music. It would have been perfect because he lives in the Tampa area. The Undertaker faced some of the biggest names in pro wrestling history at WrestleMania. He almost had a match against Drew McIntyre as well, but things obviously didn't come together. While speaking to BT Sport, Drew McIntyre revealed that he was slated to face The Undertaker at WrestleMania 26. It didn't work out, but he was told by Vince McMahon to follow the dead man as his mentor with eventual WrestleMania payoff.
But when I was 24, I was told by Vince McMahon, you don't listen to anybody but The Undertaker. He's going to be like your mentor. And whenever you've got a question, you go straight to him. And the inevitable goal was to have a big match between him and I. Unfortunately, I wasn't ready at the time. Things worked out the way they worked out. And I believe it led to, instead of myself and Undertaker, Shawn Michaels and Undertaker, the retirement match, which was obviously a phenomenal match. And I could not have delivered on that level at the time.
The Undertaker and Drew McIntyre never had that big WrestleMania match, but it would have been interesting.